Monitor the outside, from the comfort of inside. Innovative, discreet, compact outdoor camera is mounted indoors. A powerful suction cup adheres camera to virtually any interior window, no drilling or complicated installation. Camera stays safe and charged. Indoor mount protects HomeHawk from the elements and keeps it safe from theft. The camera plugs into a regular outlet, so no more worrying about battery life. Alexa, Google Assistant compatible. Clear 1080p HD video recording with bright color night vision. Get a clear, glare-free view day or night with high-definition 1080p recording featuring a 150 degrees wide-angle view. Detects people, not cars. Avoid unnecessary motion alerts. Person detection technology sees people and filters out the environment. Set a custom detection area for even more control. No contracts or fees. Local microSDX card, sold separately, saves 2 seconds of pre-recording after any alert, 24/7. No storage fees or contracts. Top reviews from the United States. I love it. I put the camera on our garage door window, using the blue wide masking tape, a extension cord and some hooks that the camera stays on the window and the cord won't touch on anything when garage door opens. It works out great looking over our driveway. I wish I could angle down a little bit, but I still like the fact that the camera is securely installed inside of the window. I don't need to worry about the battery, and on the top of it, there is no monthly fees, woohoo.